Hello, in this video we will perform two tasks. Our first task is about print name and age on terminal window. Now, how we can do it in Python? Let's do it. First of all, choose proper name for variable, then assignment operator and single quote. Whatever you write inside that single quote, it will appear on terminal window. Now here I write Qasim and then choose second variable name age, and my age is 23. Now we use print function, and then my name is, and after that we write comma, and we write here variable name, and then again comma, and again single quote. Inside that single quote write my age is, and then comma, and write second variable name. Now, these commas concatenate this string with this variable. Let's print it. Here you can see my name is Qasim, my age is 23. This was our first task. Our second task is about take user name as an input and then concatenate hello with that username. We declare a variable name2, then equal, and use input function, and inside that we display enter your name. So for user we display this message. After that we need to print it. So for that, print, write print function, single small bracket, and inside that small bracket write hello. Now concatenate this hello with this variable name. So for that use plus sign, and then we write name2 and print. Now here you can see enter your name and enter. So this message is for user, and here I write Qasim, enter. Now here you can see hello Qasim. This was our task. Thank you for watching the video.